I'm Lynn Bajika with Sotheby's Prominent Properties. Welcome and thank you for joining me today on this virtual tour of this beautiful professional home office located at 719 Franklin Avenue in Franklin Lakes, New Jersey. When you enter this beautiful property, you're greeted by this terrific open concept formal living area. Gorgeous hardwood floors. There's the first of 3 fireplaces and a formal dining area. Full bath here, shower over tub. And then we enter this really pretty, again, partially open concept, magnificent kitchen. Outdoors, we have sliders that go out to a Trek deck with a built-in grill, water. More photos of that to come at the end. Built-ins, all custom, full freezer, full refrigerator for the chef. And just a beautiful kitchen with granite and skylights, built-in bar. And then enter into the family room area with a built-in desk computer area, vaulted ceiling. Kitchen has high-end appliances. Wanted to show it from this angle. What a pretty, wonderful space for entertaining. And then there's this fireplace, fabulous. Worthy of a ski lodge, and all you do is flip the switch. That's a gas fireplace there. The owner has a Franklin stove here, which he said he has used to heat the entire downstairs. Available but not necessary. And then we enter into the office area. This extra large office area is perfect for meetings with your patients or clients. Back door, more space for files as needed. And then 3 ancillary rooms, patient rooms, office space, whatever your needs are. A waiting room with access directly from outside. Outdoors, there is a lovely sitting porch. Again, this is the private entry into the office area of the house. Parking for 6 to 8 cars. Perfect location for your lit signage out front. Here we enter into the 2-car garage area. Special flooring, more storage, cubicle storage. Now we're downstairs in the lower portion of the house, the basement area. This is a great spot for little private area, television, play area, room for a small pool table. We have utility closet, and then even more storage in this section. Here we have a huge space, wonderful for possibly extended family, additional office space if needed, or perhaps for a teenager or a college student who would like to have their own space. There is a refrigerator and sink and cabinetry, a full bath, shower over tub. This is a 4,600 square foot home. Lots of house here. There is an entry that goes directly up to the driveway. If you'd like more information on the layout, 719franklin.com. Here we are entering into the master bedroom. This master suite is on its own end of the house and is just a beautiful, tranquil, inviting space. Here we have the third fireplace in the house with its own sitting area. The colors in this house are absolutely lovely and really will appeal to almost all sensibilities. There is a hardwood floor under all the carpet that you see in the bedroom areas. Now we go into the walk-in closet and master bath area. We have a jacuzzi tub. We have 2 sinks and a very pretty large walk-in shower. The built-ins here are perfect for being able to get to your clothing and your shoes, and plenty of room so that you don't have to have extra furniture in your master area. And here's a special little spot, which I think is terrific for changing out seasonal clothing, storing things that are private to the rest of the household, luggage, perfect spot to store luggage, to quickly pack for a vacation getaway. We have a second floor laundry, and this is a nice size space. Plenty of room for ironing board setup. Beautiful. The 3 bedrooms are really, on this side of the house, are very generous in size. Again, hardwood under these carpets. This was brilliant here. The owner commissioned a cabinet maker to construct this built-in, which has plenty of room for toiletries and towels and linens. Here's bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 4. All the bedrooms have ceiling fans and ample closet space. And over here, no Bessler stairs up through a hole, but instead a walk-up attic that you can fully stand in. Lots of storage, and even an option to finish this area off. And now the backyard oasis, gunite, saltwater, heated built-in pool with a jacuzzi spa, beautifully lit at night. Thank you for coming on the tour with me. I would love to show it to you in person. Feel free to call with any questions. Have a great day.